What if one AI could create full cinematic videos with sounds, scenes, and the same character every time? That's exactly why everyone is talking about Kling's 3.0 AI video right now. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are curious about AI video creation, this video is for you. Today, we are talking about Kling 3.0 AI video. It's not officially released yet, but the signals are strong, and what's coming next could change AI video forever. Right now, most AI video tools have problems. Video breaks in the middle, characters change faces, scenes don't match, and editing is painful. So, the big question is simple. Is Kling 3.0 finally fixing all this? Let's break it down step by step. Kling is an AI video generation model. It already creates realistic videos. It supports motions, camera movements, and characters. Right now we have Kling 2.6, Kling O1, also called Omni, motion control feature. All of these are available on the platform called Higgsfield. Each update solved one big problem, but they were separate pieces. Kling 3.0 is expected to be one unified system, not many tools, not many models, just one smooth workflow. That means video generation, control motion, keep character consistent, edit scenes all in one place. Think of it like AI video plus AI editor together. This is huge. Most AI videos are very short and they breaks easily. Kling 3.0 is expected to support 30 to 60-second videos, stable camera movements, same character across scenes. This is called temporal coherence. In simple words, the video finally makes sense from start to end. One big upgrade, something called director memory. The AI remembers who is the character, who the scene looks, how the scene looks, how the story flows. So your character does not suddenly change faces or clothes. This is perfect for storytelling, ads, education videos. Kling 2.6 already added native audio. This fixed many lip sync issues. Kling 3.0 is expected to improve this even more. Better voices, better sound effects, more natural speech. This means less editing work later. This is one of the most exciting part. Regional imprinting means you can fix one small area of a video. For example, a hand looks weird, a face expressions are wrong. Instead of regenerating full video, you just fix that part. This saves times and gives creator real control. Right now, most AI videos are 1080p. Kling 3.0 is expected to support native 4K videos, higher frame rates like 60 fps. This moves AI video into professional quality, great for ads, brands, and serious creators. AI still struggles when characters touches, hugging, fighting, holding objects. Kling 3.0 is expected to improve physics, better body movement, better object handling, less melting and glitching. Less melting and glitches. According to the Reddit post posted by Higgsfield AI, Kling 3.0 is dropping soon. It's being stress tested in pieces. Current versions help prepare the 3.0 engine. Kling 2.6 native audio and fixed lip syncs. Kling O1 as called Omni, multimodal logic and director memory. Canvas agent, storyboarding and full scene management. Motion control, puppeteering, handling 30-second high difficulty physics. Expected minimum features in 3.0, native 4K slash 60 fps workflows, professional quality videos, regional inpainting, edit any small area without regenerating, physical interaction overhaul, hugging, fighting, complex object interaction, larger clips than competitors, 30 to 60 second standard, beating Sora 2 as well. For Twitter, if we come to the Twitter post, Kling 3.0 coming soon on Higgsfield. Experience 15-second clips, multi-shots, native audio, and perfect character consistency with elements. And that's just a tip of iceberg. The ultimate AI video workflow is almost here. These updates shows that Kling 3.0 is shaping up to be the true all-in-one AI video platform. Do you think Kling 3.0 will change AI video forever? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Share this video with someone exploring AI tools. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.